Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Megan and thank you so much for being here today. Today, you can tell by the title, is going to be a cooking with me because I'm feeling really inspired by food lately and I want to try some new recipes. So I'm going to make like homemade bagels. I'm going to do a dessert this week and cook some fun meals, and I'm going to take you through all of it. I feel so connected to food. I feel like it's such a great way for me to creatively express myself and also spend time with myself. So that is what we're doing this week, and in this video is we're just doing tons of feel-good cooking and learning some new things. Like, I've never done bagels before, so we're gonna head off to the store and I've got my coffee and I'm really excited. So this will be a fun video and I hope you all enjoy it. Okay, here's a little grocery haul. There's only one thing I couldn't find, which was puff pastry, so I'll go get that later. But I got balsamic vinegar, avocado oil, potatoes, sugar, quinoa, hazelnut spread, lemon, shallot, kale, basil, parmesan, apples, lettuce. I usually don't like to buy the romaine like this, but this one was the only one that looked good. Some breakfast sausage, Brussels sprouts, cherry tomatoes, basil, sweet potatoes, carrots, bananas, and yeast for the bagels and any other baked goods I want to try to make. So, okay, I made this brunch breakfast harvest bowl, and I'll show you guys how I made it in the clips. But there's quinoa with chicken stock broth to give it extra nutrients and flavor, and then I sauteed sweet potato, onion, kale, cherry tomatoes. I did a little bit of chicken sausage, and then I scrambled an egg, and then I made this arugula salad with lemon, balsamic, olive oil, and salt and pepper. This is really great and also easy to prep for our week. So I'm super excited. This is bloomed now, which it smells fermented, almost like wine. But I'm going to add this into my flour and salt mixture, like so. And then it says just with my hands that I'll combine this together. And then it says to just put it on work surface, and I'm gonna begin kneading it. So for this, the recipe says to do this for about 10 minutes until it gets soft. Of oil into a pan, or a bowl, I mean. Then I take my dough, place it in here. Okay, take a damp towel and cover this for an hour. Okay, while the dough is proofing, I have to run to the store because I thought that I had everything but the bagel seasoning, but I don't. And I also want to get puff pastry because they didn't have any at the store, so I can make the dessert tonight. So we're off to the store. Fingers crossed they have what we need. Got the goods. Action is to take the I almost said donuts, the bagels, and you put them into boiling hot water, 1 to 2 minutes each side, and then you'll put them on a baking sheet that's lightly greased up, and then they'll go in the oven at 425 for about 20-ish minutes. And I'm also gonna egg wash them and put the everything but the bagel seasoning on top before I put them in the oven. But I just wanted to tell you before I get into all this. Okay guys, here's the dinner vibes. So got romaine down here, and then we're using this Brianna Caesar dressing. I usually make Caesar dressing, but we had this in the refrigerator, so I'm just gonna use it tonight. I roasted Brussels sprouts, some basil, shallot, and then sauteed shallot for brie. I used one of the bagels I made and roasted it with olive oil for croutons. Chopped walnuts, Parmesan cheese, sauteed kale with just a little bit of butter, and then salmon. You put it all together, and I'm telling you, it's one of our favorite salads. It has been quite a day of yummy food, and I can't end the day without a yummy dessert. So I saw this dessert actually on TikTok, and it's a banana, and they kind of like hollow out the center and put hazelnut spread with, they did raspberries, but we have walnuts, we're gonna use walnuts, and then you wrap it in puff pastry, and then you top it with powdered sugar. And I've never made this before, so this will be really fun and a great way to end off the cooking saga. Here's my phyllo, or I keep saying that, but here's my puff pastry dough. I'm just gonna cut it into strips so I can wrap it around the banana. We're gonna taste test this. Oh my goodness, okay.
Megan's been throwing it down. Wow.
Alright you guys, I'm in bed and I'm gonna read, but I just wanted to end off today's video with a big thank you for joining me in the kitchen today. I honestly had so much fun creating these new recipes and trying some new fun things out in the kitchen and taking you guys along with me. It's so fun to feel creative and inspired. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also, let me know your favorite recipes in the comments so next time I can try out some new recipes from you guys. I love you and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!